All right, we're actually just going to walk the entire show out here. It is misty rain, but what can you do? What you got here? 6.5, 20% down, 240 months. Yep. My God. So hey, yeah, it's only $5,500 a month for this beautiful boat. Twin 300s. My goodness gracious. Benicho. All right. We're at the Palm Beach Boat Show. Just gonna be walking along, seeing the sights, the Wellcraft. It is a very windy and a very wet day. On occasion, I'll stop to get little videos of the prices and all. This one's $8,200 a month with 20% down at $240. And here is a Fabro F33
400s.
I have to look that one up. I'm assuming that's from Italy. Here's a another Wellcraft. This is a 243 Fisherman. Price is $223. The monthly payment will be $1,563. Like I said, we'll just keep walking along, see what we find. We only had one day this time. Check out the boat show, Solera. They had the boat of the year several years ago. The design apparently didn't work, but they did have the boat of the year. Let's take a quick look. $380,000 for this one. Beautiful boat. 424. It's Cutwater down there. There's 379. Right at $400 for the Cut Pro. You know, beautiful boat. We'll just keep on moving. So right here for Solera S250W. This is coming in July 2026. Current delivered price is $154,000. This is what you get. Might have been a little sideways on that. Sorry about that. But pretty good looking boat. We'll just keep on walking. See what we can find. Oh yeah, Mercury 600s. That big old boat. Heidi's favorite food is the Axopar. She wants one. My wife. She would definitely want that boat. That's the bravest version. That means definitely fit for fishing. Axopar's got a big thing out here. There you go. Hammer yachts. This one I didn't see at the Miami Boat Show. Hammer yachts. These are obviously Hammerheads. Let's take a look at that. Walking the dock down here. We're far in. A lot of people here. But these are Hammer Cats. Hammer Cats. Robalo, beautiful boat here. R360. Big, huge storage areas along the gunnels. My goodness gracious. Beautiful. Beautiful boat here. I don't know if I can you read that price? You can't. I can't.
635. I thought it's what it said.
635,000. for this boat.
Got trips on it, though.
My goodness gracious. And then you can go to Hanover Yachts if you want, feels like. There you go. Luxury yachts. Grady White. This right here is the GW 340 Express. Show special for $910,000. Oh, $911,000. Pardon me. And here's a 456 Canyon for 1.683 million.
Take a picture and send that to Bill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Your next upgrade.
You're missing.
That's right. Beautiful boat. All right, and as we go, the Robalo 2025 Robalo 270. It's boat show art masterpiece 220-808. Going down. That one's got twin 200s. Here's a Robalo 257. It's got twin 200s on it for 170. Down a little bit. Robalo 230, 120,000. Single 230. 250, excuse me. Yeah, it's got a 250 on it. Yep. 250. Back to Grady White. 200,000. 500,000 for the Grady White 325 Freedom. Beautiful boat. These are like runabouts to me. Oh, there's some specialty boats here. Fantastic boat. Ayata, I think that's this, the Ayata Wayfinder 3838. Ayata, I think that's how you pronounce that. Ayata. A little bit bigger. It's got the Seakeeper in it. Ayata yachts. Coming up on the formula here. Oh yeah, for all these years. Besides that, 35-footer. Triple 600s. This one is priced at, depends on the packages you want. 1.954 if you want the platinum package. Right at 2 million.
Rain again, by the way.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. 1.7 million. And in reality, all I can afford is maybe this one. What do you think? Maybe I can afford this one.
Hey, there you go. You go.
Oh no, it's raining hard. We gotta go. So while it's raining, we ducked into the regular boat booth here at the Palm Beach Boat Show. And right next to the regular 37, look at the size of these screens. What a beautiful boat. Absolutely monstrosities for the screens, but look how much room that you have for this beautiful fishing machine. Just an amazing, beautiful boat. We're hoping that the pouring rain will stop. Apparently the rain has gone down enough where Todd is outside, so let's go see some boats. Here's a Creval 26 HCO for $220,000 for a single screw boat with a single 400 on there. It's still raining out here, dude. And then the Leopard yachts. Leopard yachts are from, I think, Australia. Yeah. Huge yacht. Definitely something that you live on. Beautiful regular with twin 350s on it. 30-foot boat. All right, moving along. Boats are going to be getting bigger and bigger as we go, I think.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Along the way there.
Oh, across there. Gotcha.
Faded island.
This is the Farina. The size of that bow flare, my goodness gracious. Farina. Yes, sir. And then,
It's coming out.
all right.
Get ready. The guys from the bad
Every day.
company just walked by.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Cool.
Chef.
They're just. Oh, yeah, I know. I didn't have time to prepare. Yeah, for at the last moment, we decided to come, and the forecast was that it would stop raining by noon, and then 1, and then 2.
I think we're gonna get our wish here because I see blue skies.
Finally in the distance. Mag Bay. What a big boat this is too. Look at that. Beautiful boat. Great display. Beautiful boat that is.
Wow. Water here is pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Mag Bay.
Yeah.
Good bow flare here. Beautiful boat. Mag Bay here. Go that way or this way? Let's go this way. All right. Here's a Marchimo 50. M50. Definitely bigger boats coming up. At least I'm assuming. Liveaboards. Over $1.5 billion worth of boats here at this boat show. It's insane.
I don't want to get something like as big.
Yeah.
These are the back cove yachts. Again, you could probably live aboard those for cover if you want. And yeah, I can see some really big ones out here.
Yep, we're going to the big time now.
Saber yachts. All enclosed. Skylark for sale. Speed Island. Sea receptionist to go on board. But we had stopped off and get a little drink, and the bartender said that there's hardly anybody here compared to previous years. Size of this yacht, my goodness gracious.
Yep.
A lot of these are pre-owned, I believe. Here's an Albemarle with twin 600s.
Classic.
You ain't kidding. Definitely a canyon boat, huh?
No.
The size of those outriggers. That's something else. Beautiful boats. Definitely from the Carolinas. All right.
Banks up here on the right.
Well,
So always wanted to retire and get a brand banks.
why not?
I know. They're so nice.
So you know the detailed one. That's great. How are they gonna?
This yacht's out of New York. PV yachts. My God, look at all that teak wood. How hard it is to take care of.
Sure looks good when it's wet though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at the size of these things. For sale. And of course, eventually we'll go over there and take a look at that behemoth. That's insane. This is definitely a pre-owned boat. Rick Obey is the name of this boat. They want $750,000 for this. A lot of these are enclosed just because of the inclement weather. You might be able to hear all the wind. My goodness gracious. Rhino Bay. This yacht. Door Haven. Definitely a big one. Watch this second, girl. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, sir. So what's the other Georgetown? And just also.
I can't enjoy that with you.
No, oh. Look how wide this boat is. My goodness gracious.
Twin 115s up top on the dinghy.
How about that? That's their dinghy. Look how wide this is. I'll get a wide shot of it. What is this? 30 feet wide? Look at the size of this thing. At least 20 feet. Oh my gosh. My word, that's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive.
The master, Badger Master countertop has that.
Westport. And then this another is 26 North. This is their beautiful boat for sale. Obviously, I don't know the names of hardly anything. This is offered by 26 North.
So I know 2 nights ago, Blair said she herself got
Old Head Island, North Carolina. 26 North. This is priced at, this particular boat is 2.9 million. Currently for sale. Ah, I know this one, Azimut. I can tell this is an Azimut. 1.279 million, down from 1.399. Azimut. Beautiful boat. 2017. Or beautiful yellowfin. You could tell it.
Yeah.
You could, as soon as I saw it, I could tell that's a yellowfin.
Yep.
What is this? 30, 36, 38? 36? You just tell from the lines. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boat. Gives you the price of these things. This is 2001 for 800,000.
Yeah, look what's going on.
Oh, it's being towed.
Maybe they sold it.
Ah, maybe they did. Maybe they did. It's got an Italian front. Might not be able to hail. This wind is something else. But it's definitely not from this country. Can't see the flag, but definitely not. All right, let's look at some much bigger yachts now. I'm gonna turn this thing off and then turn it back on for another video. You ain't kidding. Yeah, that's just a dinghy compared to some of these boats here. My goodness gracious. All right, we're just gonna walk. $5.5 million for this boat. This Montego Bay offered at $3.95 billion. I'm going to turn this around just briefly. Yep, this one is right at $1 million. It's $1 million for this Viking. What year is this Viking? 2006. 2006. And then this one, Panacea, is offered at $3 million. Beautiful boat. Record year, Lake Norman, North Carolina. This is at $6.39 million. SACB, I can tell the lines. I can tell just from looking at it. This is from Oregon. It's 2016, beautiful boat. They're asking $4 million. The Tortuga from Puerto Rico. Another beautiful boat. Croatia Nation 2021. It's got your own boat lift and everything. This one's offered at $5.75 million. The Big Daddy private yacht, no boarding. This one's offered, it's a 2005, asking $2,400,000. Good to know that the prices have gone down. Oh no, oh beautiful. Invictus, this is an Invictus new price. Sign got put away. This Viking. This Viking is a 2017. I'm gonna try to get a little bit long shot on it. They want right at $2 million for this beautiful boat. It's got a long tower to it. Look at that. Thank you. Beautiful boat. Just gorgeous. Some big boats. This was the low man on the totem pole. 2013, they want $815,000 for this Tin Man. I'm not sure who the maker is. I should have stopped, but keep going. Ah, I got something for where your toys are. There you go. Place to stay out of the rain at. Look at that yacht. That's just Rio. Myton Bikini. 2027. 131 feet long. Got a hot tub right there. Right at the back of your ship. 2027. Brand new. Aston. Unwanted. Made by Bikini. Over here by Artemis. Other pre-owned yachts for Denison. Yachting, selling pre-owned yachts. You see how wind was, man. They knocked all these things down. This one right here, they tied to fly. Offered $2.8 million. The size of this. The Genesis. My word. And here's another massive yacht. Look at the size of this one coming up. Look at that one. See how much this one is. It's got all its play toys. 137 foot long. $15.9 million. But those are just dinks compared to these. Oh my God. These are dinky yachts compared to these coming up. All right, let's go look at the big ones. I heard.
What?
All right, here's a whole bunch of yachts available for Moran Yachts and Ship. We'll take a look real quick, see what they have. Bunch of cutters here. These ships are massive. Look at this one, bikini. Look at this size. Oh my God, that's incredible. You have to ask. Can't afford it. But there's a 2025.
No price.
Of course, not like that, but
120 feet.
oh my gosh, 220. Probably one of the biggest ones here. 5 waves.
There's a lot of Europeans here speaking different languages.
Yes, sir. A lot of Europeans. It is really, really windy having to try to keep this thing upright. 15-mile-an-hour
It's like
winds.
you're out the boat.
Yes. We're not. The size of this deck. The size of that deck. What she said.
That's a big head.
Look at this deck.
I see mine. That's what I would do.
Really?
That's correct.
Oh, beautiful boat. Yes, sir. That's beautiful boat.
You can sit up there and yell at people and right there.
Got it. Beautiful boat, you're right. Beautiful boat. Looks like these individuals who take care of them all run together. My God, they got quad 600s on this. Goodness. Yep, 53 footer.
How big can they go?
Yeah, these are Zealanders. Zealanders. Zealander yachts. And again, look at the big deck. These are Iliad catamarans. Beautiful boat. We have walked the outside dock. How about that? Walked all the way to the outside dock. It is windy. Oh my gosh. This particular yacht is 4.5 million. Okie dokie. So it's 2.85 million for this particular yacht. I was yellowfin to our left. I'll take a look at that in a second. Beautiful ship. Definitely yellowfin lines. Looks beautiful. We're right at 630. So 2023. 630,000. 39 footer. All we need to know is who's going to be able to finance it.
Right now,
Walking along. Uh-oh. Look at the ships over here. My gosh. Look at the size of these. Palm Beach Yacht Club show. That's insane. A lot of beautiful boats here too. Oh yeah, they all are. They all are. Yeah, all three are. But definitely coming up. Probably another Hatteras or maybe a another Viking coming up. Yep, these look like Viking lines. Yep, these are Viking lines. So look at the Lottie, so we must be close. Oh, there he is. All right, so Heidi, There's Captain Steve right there. There's Captain Steve. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a picture with Captain Steve here.
Huh?
If you don't mind. He actually has business right now, so he's showing the boat to a client as we walked in for Steve Lastly. But if you want, you can call him directly at 619-405-5044. Right. Beautiful boats, but we're gonna come back and see if we can't get a picture with Captain Steve from Bad Company.
Y.co. Hit that website.
Yeah.
Let's see what they're into.
Yep, this one here, the Summer Dance, is worth $16.9 million. The Impromptu here is right at $19.5 million. Oh wow! You can charter it for a week for $255,000. I love this boat for 8.9, 145 footer. This is under auction. Coming
Want a
up.
bid?
Let's do it. $1. The 2025 Westport.
That one will be
More affordable, yes. Yes. We can rent this for,
less expensive.
yes. We can rent this charter. $150,000.
5,400.
How about that? Good to know. Good to know. These might be about to take off. It looks like they're getting their boat ready to go. Yeah. Still the yacht this week. They're about to take off.
Side views for going.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay. No worries.
And here's one that's quite affordable. Take a quick look. Tell me what you see. Helicopter. Wow. You can tell how pretty it is. Look at these. Even these rollers are in the wind. Oh my God! I turned the corner and look at the size of this. Oh my gosh!
Look at that, I didn't see that.
Wow! Good Lord! You'll see a side profile of that pretty soon. I don't know about you, but these are a bit big. Oh yes, sir, it sure does. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Green one over there. Yes. Yes. Wind is very strong now. The size of this for sale. I don't think I can afford one of the combing holsters. Look at that.
Yeah.
Think of me, wind burn.
Yeah.
Thank you for walking the dogs. Yep. Yeah, missed. For sale. Kids. Can't ask, can't afford it. Hey, I noticed that my finger has extended. Yes, it has. Yeah. The size of this. My goodness gracious. Definitely a interesting yacht. It's got to be one of the biggest there is here. An Admiral Kid Show, 75 meters. My word. Huge.
What's the startup line? Yes.
My word. Sunshades everywhere. To keep this thing still, they put a weight right there. My word. This is no joke. They want European dollars, 124,500,000. So that's what, about 130 million dollars in US. And then we thought that this was that the big yachts were done, but there's more over here. We're not actually going to go down that dock. It's too far. That's enough for one day. Oh my word. So yeah. Right at $130 million. All right, going on. Going to see a sailboat. What now? Oh, right here, yes. Yeah.
And a cheap one.
It was. Very good. And then look at the sailboat here. I'm gonna stop here and get a picture of this catamaran, yacht, sailboat, whatever this is. My goodness Lord. Where at?
It's just a sign right next door here.
Right next door? Yes, sir. Yes. Ah, goodness gracious. I've never in my life ever seen anything this big. Bloody Bay. Hemisphere.
How wide underneath?
That's insane. And of course it's got a sail.
Flag.
All right, well that's pretty doggone amazing. All right, we need to go to these smaller boats over here, Todd.
Good.
Continue our walk. Palm Beach Boat Show. You can see the helicopter on top of one of the yachts over there. They have the little. And then look, it's much smaller boats. These things are only 50 feet.
Wow.
Mind games. Another massive yacht you could cruise on. Fraser Yachts. Sunseeker. Oh, I'm gonna step on that again. Yeah, I want to be around the areas that actually have the prices.
Starting to break
All right, here's a Viking called the Kaleen. This is definitely not 2017. Definitely not a fishing boat. There's some different designs out here today, that's for sure. A lot of them are pre-owned. But
My dad was the.
let's see, is there a price on there? I can't read it. Can't read the price.
And their families. I think his family came. His family.
On an HMY yacht area. This is called a Steeler. This is 25. You have to ask, can't afford it. They do have a few codes and stuff like that you can scan to get the price and some other pertinent information.
basically not rated.
This gives you an idea. Oh, really, I think we need to walk this way, Todd. What do you think?
Yeah, we can do it. I saw the same thing.
The size
Look at
of
this.
this one.
Boy, that's pretty. It's a Viking, no wonder.
Wow. The size of this Viking. That person walked by some of the German. Look at that. 74 convertible. 74 for sale.
Give me a shirt.
That's right.
Scotty Ledman was over here earlier.
We're
$500 for a t-shirt.
my goodness gracious. Beautiful boats. Some other Vikings here for sale. Wow. I don't know about you, but I wonder how much the gas is. I'd be filling this thing up, it'd be $20,000 just to put fuel in the gas tank. And then they get the smaller ones here. But still pretty expensive. Yes, me, I'm gonna go this way. The sign blew out. It's so windy, man. So windy. All these signs blew out of here. Another Viking. You can see they make different types of boats.
One way, so I'll wait here.
Is there a one-way only, sir?
Yep.
Okay. And these are Valhalla boats. It's Valhalla. More beautiful boats here. Beautiful fishing machines. Valhalla's 34 LS.